We left Drew and Jessica's house, headed for New Hampshire and the Raymarine factory. We stopped at Cabela's for overnight and delivered the GPS the next morning. Our next goal was to go to Gloucester to get lobster off the dock. And boy, what a day it was. We found a packing house on the dock that let us buy lobster retail, so we bought 6. Thank you very much. What did you get?
I don't know. I will open.
There were 5 lobsters in the box, and we walked back to the RV. They fit easily in the freezer. Now we have to go back and get more.
There he is.
There he is.
I don't know.
You want to buy more?
You want to buy more? All right.
They fit in the freezer much smaller than we expected.
Oh yeah, they're good size those. You want that one? Go bring them out.
Thank you.
No problem.
The first 5 lobsters cost $24. The second time, the box was full. We filled the freezer with lobster, then we made our way to a lobster restaurant. What are doing?
Open lobster.
Is it better than the Bahama lobster?
I think that's the same, I think.
I think they're about the same,
Lobster different.
except the claw is interesting.
Lobster dangerous Bahamas.
I.
It's hard.
You want me to break it?
I can try. Yeah.
Oh, big piece.
Nice. Like a bird. I don't take it thank you though.
After filling our freezer and our bellies with lobster, we went back to Drew and Jessica's house for another lobster dinner. We had a wonderful dinner with the crew of Wild Child, and then it's off to the Shenandoah National Park and Skyline Drive. QP's favorite kind of land is mountains and rivers, and Northern Virginia has a lot of it. The northern entrance to Skyline Drive is in Front Royal, Virginia, and next time we'll show you what the park looks like.